We are back. Excellency, Mr. President, all ministers present, and I stand on all existing protocol. Now you know I don't know too much protocol. It is so good to be back from a place where nobody ever expected that energy. The reason we're here today is how do we drive the future? And Senegal and this region is going to drive the future on how energy is going to work. 600 million people in Africa without any access to electricity. 900 million with no access to no clean cooking technologies. This is real. Challenging ourselves on how we're going to shape a future for young people sitting here believing in leadership that drives them to their future, believing in an Africa and a region that can really shape what we do. We have a bold chance and an amazing opportunity to say that and to do something about it. That's why it's important that we support local companies. That's why it's important women get left behind. We've seen the market change over the last few months. We went from no drilling, and well, I say drill, baby, drill. We were seen as crazies. But yesterday's nobody, sometimes in the end, common sense prevails. That's why I'm very happy, I'm very proud to see BP in this room, driving up gas, driving up regional gas that it can really reshape. That's why I'm very proud to see what Senegal is doing and other regions to connect the region with gas pipelines to see how we also have a domestic gas obligation. Isn't it strange that we have a discussion about gas going somewhere when we can also have gas taking care of the local markets and local communities? As we go over the next 2 days, I want to urge us to have those discussions. I want to urge you to drive those discussions. It's our chance to be that catalyst that really change. It's our chance to really stand with the Woodsides of the world and say, let's move, let's drive, let's produce, let's get things done. It's our chance to stand with the Cosmoses and say, let's explore more. Because this is still a region that is one of the most underexplored, and it's our chance to say, we need to take out the chokehold on investment in the industry. I close with this as we move on to COP27. We have an amazing opportunity to never back down on gas. They're going to tell you that we need to drive renewables, that's okay, but never ever back down on gas. If you back down on gas, we are driving our continent to the cliff. Gas is going to shape Africa. Gas is going to help us monetize. It's going to create more value to our economies. Urea, ammonia, NPK plants. And Mr. President, you wouldn't have to go to Russia and Ukraine looking for fertilizers and blockage and everything, because we're going to use gas to solve your problems. And we need to drive that. There is no reason why we cannot monetize that gas and gas for Africa. That's something I learned from Minister Gabriel a long time ago when he